Morning, Kelly Savage with the Butterfly Thoughts Podcast, where we provokingly challenge ourselves to small changes, needed processes, and know and trust that the beauty of the change will prevail, just like in the life of a butterfly. Here's to changing your life one day at a time with one thought at a time. The word if. Small word, 2 letters, but it's a word that I've been thinking about and one that keeps on flying right into me. It's an important word. It's an important life-changing word. Are you intrigued yet? Let me explain my thoughts behind it. And no pun intended here, but if you apply the condition of the word if in your life, that is when action comes. Rubber meets the road. Results happen. Growth happens. Or things just get done. So what does that even mean? Well, most recently I was using it in the context of the Bible. The word if just became that much more interesting to me as I began to see how very important of a word it is. It was a vital word. And it was this can be a life changer word. If we do the right actions, the right results will come. So if appears in the Bible a lot, and I mean a lot. Promises are conditional on the if we do. Now, that if can be bad, good, wisdom-filled, or just the wrong decision. Or maybe just no action at all. The results of that if action will show it in our life. So, in our daily life, how important is what I now will coin the if condition application of our life? Let me be the first to say it to you. It is very important. Do you have goals? If you do the steps, you will reach your goals. If you don't, you won't. It is that simple. But is it really simple? The principle is simple. Sometimes the actions are not. There it is. Here's the power of choice. Do you have something that you want in life? If you have a job, or spend the time, or do what it takes, can you not get the thing you want in life? Do you have relationships? If you nurture them, spend time strengthening them, and caring for them, can they not improve? Can they suffer or even fail if not paid attention to or worked on? Do you have a test to pass? School or just a life test? If you study, improve skills, practice, will the grade improve? Will you pass the test? Most likely, yes. Do you have an issue in your life right now that you want to resolve? If you pray, choose right actions, get wisdom to make right choices, do research, and use resources, could that issue become less of an issue or resolved? I say an absolute yes. If we ignore the issue and do nothing, could it get bigger? Absolutely. Do you want health in your life? If you do healthy things, sometimes just in small ways, and grow and practice in those, will your life not begin to get healthier? Do you want to learn something new? Trade or skill, hobby, or just learn something? If you surround yourself with people who could help you, support you, enroll in a class, read, could you not learn whatever you want? Does this make our life perfect? No. The truth is, there are all kinds of scenarios in our life, all kinds of but this or but that in our lives to argue any statement that I just said in this podcast. There always will be. That will not change. This will remain a fact in our lives. Every day we have choices to make, decisions to stay committed to, obstacles even in our mind and thoughts. And the ifs become choices that we make for our lives consistently. Do you have a challenge, an obstacle, a roadblock? Or maybe you're just having a bad month or year. Here is the last if of this podcast. Are you ready for it? If you choose to use obstacle as an opportunity to take the power of your choice, reflect on it, to see different perspectives, and be determined to grow in the mess, that mess will become a message for others, and your life will forever be changed. That I promise. Thank you for joining. Kelly Savage. Have a great day.